Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create a dashboard in Google Sheets. For this example, we'll create a sales dashboard just to give you a clear idea of how it works, but you can easily add more parameters for your own dashboard. Imagine that you already have a data table that shows monthly sales. Let us start building the dashboard. First, let's create summary values, namely total and average sales. For total sales, click the cell where you want the total sales to appear, type equals, sum, open parentheses, and then highlight the actual sales from January to December. And then type close parentheses and press enter. So now we have the total sales here. Let's move on to the average sales. We will here type equals, average, open parentheses, and then select the same range of sales from January to December. And then type close parentheses and press enter. Now we have our average sales. To create the chart, let's highlight the cells under the month and sales. Then let's select insert from the top menu and click chart. Our chart will appear at the middle of our screen and the sidebar will appear on the right. So from here, we can select under chart type, whatever chart type we want. We can select column chart, line chart, or other types of charts as we scroll down here. But let's select line chart for this example. Let's close this sidebar and reposition this by dragging the chart. Now you can resize and reposition the chart as needed. Also, feel free to format your summary cells to make your dashboard easier to read and have a better appearance. You can add additional charts or add more stats if needed. So, that is how you create a very simple dashboard in Google Sheets. I hope you find this tutorial helpful.